Hello everyone. Today I'm making spinach, and actually I'm preparing spinach in a very simple way. So here's we have 312 grams of spinach. It's a little bit more than half a pound. So we need 2 tablespoons of real sour cream, and we need 2 garlic cloves. And I preheated the pan, actually wok, because I like to make it in a wok. It's less splashes of oil or juice or whatever, less messy. And I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I preheat it, and then I put the spinach here, and the spinach cooks very quickly. I do not wash a spinach because it's clean anyway, but also if I wash, it will be too watery when I'll be cooking. And here I'm making some sausages. So I'm mixing spinach from time to time. It takes approximately 5-7 minutes when the spinach become softer. During the process of cooking, the spinach decreases in sizes dramatically. Probably 2-3 more minutes and I will be adding sour cream. So I added 1 tablespoon, actually a little bit more than 1 table, close to 2 tablespoons of sour cream, some salt and some black pepper, and then I'll mix them together. Again, I didn't want too watery, and that's why I'll be turning off the heat in less than a minute. So now I'm adding garlic. So garlic is here, and I just mix it. Oh, the smell is, wow, what a smell. So it's ready, and then you need to turn off the heat. And that's all. So you can add with meat, with vegetables, with potato, with some kasha. So my sausage is almost ready. So we will have a delicious lunch. And here we have some spinach, buckwheat kasha, and sausage. Bon appetit! If you like this video, press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see some other videos how to cook delicious meal.